We're looking cool, that's always important, right? Welcome to MCC Just Motos. I don't have much to say except this is amazing, it's beautiful, this is an amazing ride. I want to go hiking here. See some gorges and some rocks and formations, it's beautiful here. Look at that, wow. Yeah, this bike is really fun. Look at that, it's just so agile. It's fun to squirt around in this guy. Oh man. Maybe I get a chance to try a wheelie here, we'll see. A little bit. Yeah, you can definitely do a wheelie. We're looking cool, that's always important, right? Can I stop? Can I balance it? Not really. It's okay. Yeah, it's alright. Not terrible. Come on, dude. Well, I can tell you I'm a little bit quicker than that bike. Maybe. Well, this will be an interesting comparison of the Scram next. Alright, 5th gear, and I'm just barely, like, this motor's super relaxed in 5th gear. I like it. Yeah, this is definitely my cup of tea on a 350 style. I think this is a great beginner bike. Honestly, I think this is a fantastic beginner bike. This might be my favorite beginner bike of all time. Seems really sprightly, not rip your head off power, very friendly. But you can definitely grow with it. You can definitely take it on highway speeds with it as well. Brakes are good. Yep, this is my favorite beginner bike I've ever ridden, for sure. Oh boy. Yeah, suspension's good. Cool. Yes. What do you think of the Scram?
I like it.
Yeah. But you've, yeah.
It's, I mean, it rides like a Himalayan. I mean.
Yeah. A little quicker on the front steering?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, I do like the Himalayan though.
Yeah.
Himalayan is smooth too.
Yeah. This is super smooth. This is probably my absolute favorite 350.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, that hit all the wickets for a beginner bike. I think that was my favorite. Cool. All right.